Hey man!
Watch out!
It's a woodpecker from space! Looking bird and he's a rat before my eyes with his waist shoot and a laser gun.